In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the alumni list as seen by a reunion coordinator. This particular reunion coordinator is for 1968. We can see that up here. This is the username of the person who is currently logged in. Typically, this would be your name. And if you're a reunion coordinator, it usually will have the last two digits of the year that you're responsible for. Directly underneath that, we have navigation. This section here allows you to go to the very first record, the very last record, previous, next, find, and sort. For example, let's say that you wanted to find Richard Adams. He's right there, but let's go anyway. You click on Find, type in Richard, press the return key, and here is all of the Richards that are in the class of 1968. If we want to see all the class again, just click on the magnifying glass and the entire class of 68 pops up. Same basic thing happens for sorting. You click on Sort, you tell that you want to sort records, and then you decide what you want to sort by. In this case, last name ascending. Tap the Sort button. Now notice that you can pick by multiple different fields, and you could have multiple different sorts. So you could say last name ascending, zip code descending if you wanted to, by just clicking on here and moving, and then saying zip code descending. Since all the zip codes are the same, it really doesn't actually matter in this case because this is demo data. But you get the idea. In order to unsort this, you would simply go back over here to Sort and click on Unsort. Also across the top, we have a menu bar here with different possible functions. Obviously, you found Help. You can also find this one here, which is your very special first bar. The first menu of every bar is always special to this particular place that you are. So in this case, the alumni list for the coordinator. By clicking Home, for example, it will always take you back to this list, no matter where you are in the rest of the system. You can always find Logout here as well on this particular menu. This will completely get you out of the system. Please use Logout when you're done working with the system so that other people have a chance to get in. So as you see, you also have a list of the membership, or in this case, the alumni. Right now, you can see that it is currently sorted by alumni name. There is also the option to sort by the maiden name by clicking on this. Obviously, these people have no maiden names. As we scroll down, we find there's Adams, Allens, etc. going down there for maiden names. You will notice from time to time that there will be a number that pops up here in the middle. I'm going to see if I can force it to do that for you. There. That number is telling you that records are being loaded in the system. Because this is a web-based system, not all records are loaded at the initial load up. So for example, as you scroll, you will notice that it will stop and load new records, especially if you scroll very fast, for the next section. Depending upon the day, how many other people are using the system, etc., there may be some delay times for loading. Two more things that you can do on this screen. One, you can delete a person. This will require you to have the deletion password, which will have to be gotten from somebody who has administrator access. So don't be afraid to click it. As you can see, you can't do anything unless you have the password. The other option here is to click on this head, which will take you into the detail record of this particular person. The detail record we will touch on in another, right there, Help video.